MeghalayaPost.news.
Bhoi College Lingba ka Entrepreneurship Development Center mendagasi galak pelong ya ka program Jinghikai ke belatip kumka entrepreneurship program bat ka deiru ka program ke bane sansingi kenti banhikai ya ki Samla halor kilat Seng Kam Seng ke bade Lingba ke jingkershan ke sarkar ya gani ke program la pelong ha conference hall ke Bhoi College ha ke ba block development officer ke umling sin adi block ba Eric Kevin Khar ulawan banishimenta kumkongsan bala sakhi langru da ke jingdon lang principal UEC Beni kinohikai bagi Samla puli lembat ki Samla kadong Bhoi. Kembala pau kani ke program ke de shibenta ban Jinghikai yegi kon Samla hakil yang prepare ki baidei ber ka Seng Kam Seng Lajong badru ban ailat yegi Samla badan sap ke kam prepare. Balingba kani galat Jinghikai kala ban yang hala ki jong kijat kamtam hakum kani ke perthai kudu kam kudu jam.
This center we have received the nomination for this center from a panel of many members which are chosen by Northeastern Council, and we are lucky to be elected as getting membership here as EDC center. Out of the 30 centers in the entire Northeast, Meghalaya has got only 4 centers. One is Bhoi College Center, chosen by the Northeastern Council. Another in Meghalaya is the Nehru Northeastern Hill University Center. Then there is a government college in Bhoi, Bhoi, that is KM College. And there is another college, government college, which is in Thura, and Thura Government College. These are the 4 centers allotted by the Northeastern Council for establishment of EDC. And that's what I'm saying, we are very lucky to have this center, which is in essence will look into the entrepreneurs' aspirations of Bhoi district. Those who aspire to become entrepreneurs in Bhoi district will be catered, they will be serviced by this center in Bhoi College. So that is how this center was established. Now this is in this training we have 3 phases of training. First phase of training is over. We started on the 19th of August. A group of 30 students per training, and we had about 90 students trained. 90 plus. We had actually 125 students being trained. Out of that first phase, we have chosen 10 students from each group, each training session. And then now we will have 5 days of training to these 10 selected individuals. From 3 training groups, we will have 30 students. This is the first section of the second phase. We will start from today. And this training will be a tedious one, a proper one, in which all information will be shared, all information will be given to the trainees, and they will be prepared to plan themselves for any upcoming business.
We have to look for different avenues in order to sustain ourselves. So entrepreneurship is one of the platforms that must be explored, and being one of the centers in the state of Meghalaya is something to be very, very proud of. And being here in the Bhoi district, it gives the students, it gives future prospective entrepreneurs a platform to start from. It gives you guidance, it will give you also financial help. So I request not only within these 4 walls, but also take this opportunity to inform others also who might be willing to take up entrepreneurship as an activity, as a financial activity, as an economic activity. So this is again a good platform for each one of us to take, and not only that, I think being partnered by Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship is something very, very big also. So there you will, like I mentioned, there you will get your guidance and how to go about the process of making yourself into a successful entrepreneur. So again, I thank the principal, I thank all the teachers and the students for calling me here, and I hope that this platform that you have been given will help you to make something out of yourselves. Thank you so much.
MeghalayaPost.news.